What's going on, YouTube community? Today, I am going to share with you my opinion on these Globe Smart light bulbs, and we're going to go through the installation. So I bought these smart light bulbs to remedy a situation I have in the garage. We bought a house and we found out that there isn't a light switch inside the house to turn on the light in the garage. Neither is there a light switch near the door that enters the garage from the inside to turn on the light. The light switch is on the far end of the garage. So these smart light bulbs are the perfect solution to that dilemma. Now before you get started, you're going to have to download the Globe Suite app. It's compatible with Android or iPhone, so you shouldn't have a problem. So I bought these bulbs at Canadian Tire for roughly $20 Canadian, which works out to be $5 a bulb, which I think is a pretty good deal. So I've gone and started the app. You have to sign up with an email address, and then you have to make a password. I did all that, and now it's asking me for my location to turn my location on. I personally am paranoid. I don't like having my location on if I don't need it. Personally, I don't think I need it, so I don't know what if it's gonna kick me out, but cancel that and let's proceed. So now it says add devices. So now I'm gonna try and add a device. I'm gonna press add a device, and I'm about to press bulbs, but I think I'm gonna install a light bulb first. I've gone and installed the bulb. Here I have it. That's the bulb I want to control. There's the door to the garage, messy garage. And here's the control switch. Makes no sense. Anyways, says I gotta turn the light on and wait for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it's starting to go already. I gotta go back into the software, well, not the software, and bulbs, reset the device first, turn on/off, and repeat 3 times until light is flashing rapidly. Confirm, enter Wi-Fi password. Let's see, it says connecting now. So what I thought was supposed to happen was I was supposed to turn on the bulb, it was supposed to stay on, and then I was supposed to flash it 3 times manually, and will start flashing like this on its own. But as soon as I turned it on, it went into flashing mode, as you probably already saw. When it starts flashing, that's when you go back to the app and put in your Wi-Fi credentials, and then it's supposed to connect. Now my bulb has stopped flashing, as you can see. No more flashing. And we're just waiting to see what happens now with the app, and then we're gonna test it out. There's my old bulb over here. Looks like it's getting ready to blow. This is the bulb that was left with the house when we got it. It looks kind of nasty, but oh well, it's being changed now. So this product is compatible with Google Home and Amazon Alexa. If you guys are into home automation, this would be a good choice. Well, error. So, gonna have to retry this. Okay, YouTube community, we had one failed attempt. Let's try this again. I'm gonna turn it on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's flash it 3 times. Nothing happens. Okay. Oh, there we go. It's blinking. And now we're gonna go to the app and retry. And here we go. Now, the app asked me to make sure it's a 2.4 gigahertz connection. not the 5G or 2.4G, not 5G, which is the case. I put in my password and now we gotta play the waiting game and see what happens. Yep, it stopped blinking, which I don't think means anything at this point. Oh, 100%, that came real quick. And it's done, completed. Awesomeness. So I'll go ahead and press done. And yeah, brightness. You can control the brightness with this thing. That's awesome. Let's see how this works. Whoa, that's cool, man. So I can change the brightness of the bulb from my iPad. And let's see, power off. Light turned off. And power on. Lights on. I like it. That's all I need out of this. Cool. So as I show you how I navigate through the app, I want you guys to keep in mind that you can actually have this app running on multiple devices and still be able to successfully control the light bulb all at the same time. It doesn't matter. You can also control the light bulb or any of these smart devices from anywhere in the world. So long as you have access to a network, any Wi-Fi network, you can control it. You don't have to be only on your home network. This is brilliant, especially nowadays when people like to go on vacation and post pictures right away. Well, if your house is empty, you can have all these light bulbs set up around your house and function them remotely. Just make sure the power is on to the light bulb and you can just turn the lights on and off as you please. Or you can set a schedule. You can also dim the light. So in conclusion, I really like this product. So much so that I'm going to investigate some of Globe's other products. And I'll be sure to do a review on those as well and post them so you guys can check it out too. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and please hit the subscribe button, and I'll continue creating more content for you guys. If you have any questions or comments, you can express yourself down below. Till next time, take care.